in Tumpaksewu Waterfall. We are going to trek with them. They are from the Faculty of Animal Husbandry, University of Brawijaya, and we are going to trek around 40 minutes to go to the waterfall area, and then we're going to see the view of the mountain of Semeru of 3,676 meters above sea level, and also the view of Tumpaksewu Waterfall.
So if you want to
Trekking.
Tumpaksewu, don't worry. So we choose only two soldiers.
How's your knees?
Super strong, guys.
Shaking or no?
No, not yet.
Oh, here, yeah, I checking a little bit, but it's okay. But after I make more than 2 times, I will adapt. So this is because I'm first time to be here, and it's a little bit like hard to,
Okay, so we have to cross this bridge to see the beautiful panorama of the waterfall. So, don't have to be panic. You have to be more focused and just get along with your friends, okay?